Hi, so welcome to our Group 67 demo for our prototype, which we call MillMate. MillMate basically an app that we develop for anybody that don't have time to cook because they busy with this study or their work, or anybody that don't have cooking skill. So I will get straight into our key feature, will be the grocery planning and the cooking recipe. So in the grocery planning, this is basically a brief list of what we should buy in supermarket like coals or RD. For example, here we have chicken thigh, pork, beef. So we basically choose what we want to buy. For example, I want to buy beef. I just add beef here and increase the amount that I want to buy. For example, and down here $60 will be like the estimate amount of money that we will spend on them. We can add other ingredient that we want, like egg, onion, spring, and in add item. This basically we adding the item that we know that there is in the supermarket. Like for example, will be the canned fish. Should be around $2. We just add to the list, and you can see it down here. Okay, when we click confirm blah, we will reach to this brief list of what we just choose. And when we head to the supermarket, we will basically check for the stock. Basically, if they are like for example spring onion, we just click here and down here estimate money will right away reduce the money that we just click on the no stock and we click on the other if they are stock or somewhere. We click shopping complete. It will lead us back to the main menu and we head to cooking recipe now. Basically here is the list of ingredients that you just choose from the grocery planning. And down here is the pre-ready recipe for the meal. So for example, if I click in here, it will like act like a sword to show the recipe that utilize the ingredient that we just use. When I click in here, for example, beef noodle soup, you can see this the estimate time, for example, 35 minutes, and the difficult of the dish, like medium. So when we click there, we will see cooking step. Like here, boil noodle and set aside. Simmer beef, slide in hot broth, and combine the garnish with spring onion. And there will be also a live demo to guide you through how the process. Here we can add the ingredient that we have in the fridge. For example, chicken thigh. We just add them in. And here we can submit the recipe that we cook before and follow the step that we like. Like for example, we choose beef and stir fry beef noodle. Would be around 25 minutes. Ingredient, just add in the ingredient like noodle, beef, spring onion, and the step. Like here, you can add boil the noodle, stir fry the beef, add the onion. And when we click add recipe, it will appear down here, like for example here. So that all for our group demo.